Hello everyone, you're looking at a 2007 Chevy Duramax Diesel, a C5500. I bought this truck originally from it was used to deliver steel from a retailer or from a wholesaler to retail. The truck did run just excellent. I was really a proud owner of this truck. Smiling all the way up until I had to pull over and find that there was excessive blow-by that blew out the dipstick on the truck. So anyway, I don't have the tools in my bag to want to pull the engine and find out what's wrong with it. It does run, but again, there's excessive blow-by. There's no water or anything like that in the oil, as I can tell. Brakes, transmission, everything, just when it was running, it ran well down the road. I ended up putting only about 2,000 miles on it before the issues surfaced with the engine. So anyway, it'll make a good truck and chassis for those who want to rebuild. The cab is literally rust-free. It's solid inside and out. The frame has very little rust. It's got about a 40-gallon gas tank on it. It is to be sold as is, where is. Everything, all the instruments, gauges, and everything did work while in operation. So it's just the engine is the issue. Everything else is very good, very operable, very well maintained, had been maintained from the previous owner. So anyway, any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Okay, thank you.